Are you working days and nights to complete your work?
Think. Computers are designed to reduce your workload. But most people work over 8 hours a day because they are unable to do work on time. What is the cause?
Most people do things only in the way they know. They do not believe the same task can be done much easier than the way they do now.
Have you ever noticed that only a few people succeed from hundreds or thousands of people? They always try to find much easier and time-saving methods to do their daily tasks. This is why automation is important to you too. Instead of wasting your valuable time on repetitive and boring daily tasks, automating those tasks will save hours of your time, money, and give you more time to enjoy what you love to do, be with your family, and much more benefit.
Otherwise, you can use that extra time to experiment and discover new opportunities within your career for your success.
Automateworld, we can help you to build your career with the latest technology to make your daily workload much easier and totally or partially automated.
We build applications to automate your daily Microsoft Excel-based repetitive, boring tasks. Also, we build solutions for web scraping and to make other web-based activities fully or partially automated.
We provide after-sales support for all the solutions we provide to you within the criteria. Please submit your requirement via the links we shared in the description of this video.
We guarantee the quality of our automation solutions and support you to achieve your expected result. We hope you enjoy our solutions and make your life better and easier. Please see the description of this video for more information. Thank you for watching.